Tired of juggling multiple browser, endless tabs, and scattered logins just to get through your workday? It's overwhelming, messy, and kills your productivity. Let's fix that. I'll show you how to install the Circle AI browser on your desktop, the smart browser that brings all your work tools into one place and helps you stay focused. Head on to oncircleai.com, and before you install, take a quick look around. You will find list of powerful features and answers to some common questions. Okay, I'm going to download the Mac version because I have the Mac machine, but you can download Windows and Linux also. Once downloaded, just drag it into your applications folder like any other app. Now, when you open it for the first time, you might see a warning saying Apple can't verify the developer. No worries. Go to your system settings and then privacy and security. Scroll down and you will see an option to open Circle AI browser anyways. Click that, enter your Mac password, and you're good to go. Once it's open, you will notice a powerful feature right away. It shows how much CPU each app is using inside the browser. Now let's add some apps. With Circle AI browser, you can manage all your workspaces in one tabbed view, save memory, reduce distractions, and 10x your productivity. It's like having your own control center minus the chaos. So go ahead, head to oncircleai.com, download the browser, and start working smarter today. Let me know in the comments what apps you added first.